Hi guys, my name is Joshua Oposo and welcome to Inspiredfingers.net. Today's video is an introductory video to the piano muscle memory episode 2 course that we're building right now. Remember we did episode 1 whereby I showed you the chords to a particular song on all 12 keys so that you could easily practice and have them under your belt. But right now we'll be talking about a particular chord progression on all 12 keys as well. Remember this is just an introductory video, so we'll not be doing the breakdown right now. We'll share the breakdown with you later on the side. So to gain access to all these courses that we're building, the piano muscle memory episodes and all that, please kindly go to Inspiredfingers.net, register as a member, then sign up for the course. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the chord progression I will show us today is a 6-2-5-1-4 chord progression, and I hope you remember your number system, okay, because it's very important to use when learning new chord progressions. Alright, so on the key of C, the 6-2-5-1-4 chord progression has its roots as A, D, G, C, and F. Alright, so this is the 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Alright, and you add the full chords 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So I could be playing a song like there is no one else like you. So that's the song. You are great, you do miracles so great, there is no one else like you. Or another song like power and might belongs to my God. I'm not a good singer, so please pardon me. Alright, so but that's just some few songs you could use this 6-2-5-1-4 chord progression in, and it will work perfect. Alright, so it will work perfectly, right? Alright, so let me demonstrate this chord progression on all 12 keys so that we'll just see it real quick, and we can think of how we'll release the other videos on the breakdown. Remember, this is not a breakdown, it's just a demonstration. Alright, so 6, 2, 5, 1, 4, and that's for the key of C. So in the key of D flat, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. On the key of D, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. On the key of E flat, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. The next key is E, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. On the key of F, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. On the key of F sharp, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. On the key of G, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. On the key of A flat, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. On the key of what's the next key? That's the key of A. 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Okay, on the key of B flat, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. On the key of the next key is D, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. And we're back to the key of C, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So that's just it. You understand? It's a very easy thing, and if you have this on all 12 keys, I think you should be good to go. Thank you.